Mahiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
The law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. Now you're hiding this scoundrel, this fugitive.
I want to touch base dito sa mga articles of the articles of the complaints. On your part, I think I want to focus on kasi napag-usapan doon sa isang interview, no, yung pagte-threat ni VP Sara sa Pangulo at sa First Family. Bakit nyo po, on your own belief, and I think we're on the same page here, bakit nyo po nakikita that this article should be added on the main complaint?
Kasi medyo it is related more on establishing yung public trust eh. Actually, if you're questioning the public trust, parang ito kung naghahanap ka ng ebidensya to. This person who is actually doing this is not worthy of the public trust. So parang ganun yung question niyan, no? So siya ay evidential doon sa question ng public trust.
Mostly on the public trust. And I think parang na yun, dahil nga parang punto niya, iba yung nakikita niyang may irregularity doon mismo sa procedure at hindi dapat yun ipasa as substance dito sa impeachment. Ano pong masasabi niyo dyan?
Alam mo yun, ito na nung elemento na lang mismo perceived criminal offense dun sa threat o yung grave threat, no? Kasi kung may kaso man, ang tingin ko, pwedeng grave threat, no? Yung question na yan is focusing on the element of a potential criminal case. Pero ang mukhang ang na-overlook is the actual relation of these actuations. Yung, saka yung, di ba, yung this is unbecoming of the position. Threatening her own president, no? And the president of the nation for that matter, ini-establish mo rito. Yung question on katiwa-tiwala ba ang mga taong ganito? Tingin ko, yun yung overlook. Pero siguro naman kung mapapatunayan nila na walang grave threat, pero just the same, at may iwan pa rin yung lengguwahe, kondukta ng public statement na katulad niya. At tingin ko, nakabatay ito dun sa ilalabas ng prosecution, pagdudugtong-dugtong ng mga reklamo, ng different articles of impeachment. Doon magdudugtong-dugtong Kasi parang lahat ng ito ay nagbibigay patunay doon sa impeachable offense of that loss of trust.